Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by loading Chrome Music Lab's oscillator and choosing a waveform. This defines timbre immediately. Set a comfortable bass frequency so you can hear changes clearly, and adjust octave up or down to place your sound in context. Once done, reduce master volume and enable headphones to prevent clipping. Make sure to toggle any low latency or audio context options in your browser so modulation and knob movements will respond in real time. You now add movement. Route an LFO to pitch or amplitude and choose a rate that complements the tempo. A subtle depth keeps things musical, while larger depths create vibrato or tremolo. Next, layer a second oscillator and detune it a few cents to produce richness and stereo width. Pan slightly left and right to separate them. Then insert a basic filter or adjust an envelope to tame harsh harmonics, and sculpt the sound's attack and release. You finish by refining automation and recording a take. Sweep filter cutoffs slowly so the ear can follow changes, and save or export the audio when satisfied. Make sure to document parameter values if you want to recreate a patch later. If playback is intermittent, first restart the browser tab and reduce the audio buffer or polyphony. If that fails, disable browser extensions that affect audio and check that your audio drivers are up to date. This usually resolves glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.